house built of old wood. You could paint it any color you like, just so long as I can live with you.
The art installation is called Pollocks Path. I basically put a walkway that mimics the approximate location of a creek that used to be here in the landscape. It's now buried about 8 feet down. And another component of that installation is to flank that path with native ecosystems. So I've selected 100 native plants, ones that support the most pollinators, and ones that grow in the wild around here. Today I'm getting help from Tandem Friends School, a group of 9 people, and they work fast. They're edging the garden, maintaining the integrity of the design, a very important thing here at the Art Park, and also preparing for the path installation.
This is, I guess, what is it, day 3 of maybe like a 6-day community service program that we do for our school, where in the afternoons, or at least the second half of the day, come over here and do various projects. And today we're doing landscaping. We painted this bench and some of the other benches the first time we came, and then did kind of other work just to try to help out. I don't do much of like any kind of landscaping like this, so this is pretty fun. It's a change of pace, sort of.
I think it's cool to see, you know, like this sort of organic art. You don't really see this often, where, you know, someone makes a garden and turns it into sort of an art project.
If you look, I don't know if you noticed this, but a lot of bugs that would normally now not be here are here now because of the different types of plant life. So it'll be fun to see how this place kind of transforms the natural habitat for the animals that might have been driven out by civilization.
And the beauty of this is if you can manage to take note of those plants and install them as a community in a garden, you end up creating a wildlife magnet for the animals that have adapted to those plants nearby. And so you get all of these native pollinators, butterflies, a great variety of solitary bees, and then you get all of their predators. You get lots of predatory insects, you get birds, reptiles, and amphibians. And it's quite amazing what happens, and I think the potential is urban areas can end up being havens for biodiversity conservation if we can do a little bit more of this. So to me, that's the importance of native ecosystem gardening. So this approach also augments sort of a local understanding of ecology, of wildlife, and of, you know, both the current state of biodiversity and the potential of where biodiversity can go and where they can take it.